What's up, my fellow traders? I hope you all doing well. I want to give you a very quick update on natural gas, gold, and silver. So let's start our analysis with natural gas. Before I start my video, I just want to let you know, guys, if you haven't followed me on Instagram and on Telegram, please do so because sometimes YouTube take a bit while to send you a notification. So once I upload a video, I always notify you guys on Telegram and on Instagram both, so that you won't miss an analysis. And also, guys, in future, maybe next month, I'm planning to come live on YouTube and on Instagram. So it would be great if you can follow me on Instagram so that we can do some live analysis and take some live trades. And also, guys, if you want to learn how I mark these resistance and support zones, you can join one of my partner broker. Once you join it, minimum deposit of $500. Once you deposit, I'll start sending you the weekly forex report where you will have these support and resistance mark on some of the currency pairs. As you know, these zones plays a very important part in your trading. So once you know how to mark these zones and you know when to take counter trades or when to take pullback trades between these zones, let's start our analysis on natural gas first. So what I've said in my yesterday's video, let's go back and check so that it will make all sense to you how we took this entry. The market normally come back to retest the resistance before it gives us an entry condition to take another long entry. So an entry reason, like an engulfer, let's say we get a next bigger candle and it closes at least at 4.262, which would be better. Once we have this sort of move, we are okay to take long trades. Awesome. We entered on this candle. Market came up, break the supports, break the resistance zone, gave us a pullback with followed by an engulfer entry, and the ATR was 10 at that time. I plus my ATR with my targets. Right here, the ATR is telling the volatility till 4.748 on Ovanda. Right now, I'm still seeing a room for natural gas to hit this yellow zone. It can go between this yellow zone. This yellow zone is from 4.764 and it goes up to 4.987. So at this point, after we got this successful double bottom trade, we will look for sell trades. Obviously, guys, every rise has a fall. So once we reach this resistance zone, I will look for an entry reason, either an engulfer or a double top move from this zone to take short trades, and I will calculate my ATR whatever the targets are coming up at that time. So make sure you keep an eye on these zone. Once we reach this zone, we will look for a counter trade. So I'm going to go through capital.com quickly as well. So right here on capital.com, our target is almost hit, and here you can see we still have a room for the market to at least hit this green zone, which is 4.786. Same with Wanda data. Once we reach the yellow zone, and by that time I'm expecting to see the market on here on this data to hit this green zone, from where we will look for sell trades or a double top engulfing trades. So that was a quick one on natural gas. Let's quickly check gold. Okay, great. So let's check what I've said in my yesterday's videos. Actually, today's video in the morning, I have uploaded a video. So let me show you what I've said so that it will all make sense to you. If you look here, we are getting a head and shoulder pattern, which is according to my rule still valid. Right, perfect. So now the market is in our termination zone. We have our head and shoulder pattern almost ready, but what I don't want to see a break of this green zone, which is 1875. If we have a break of this green zone, then it will be more of the double top entry rather than head and shoulder. So right at this moment, I'm looking for a bearish engulfer or inverted hammer or a pin bar, or you can call it 382 candle. So this is basically my green zone is my termination zone. This zone is from 1861, it goes up to 1875. So this is my termination zone where I will look for sell trades from this zone. So look for a sell conditions from here. Once we have a sell condition, we will take short trades towards the next minor zone, which is 1831. Obviously, if it breaks above this zone, then we will look for double top trades. And if we have a break of this double top as well, then I'm expecting to see a trend continuation from gold till 1900. Let's check silver. So silver is now giving us exact move as we expected. Let's check what I've said in my silver video. Our time frame, we already got a formation of one shoulder, and now if we get a move up and we get a retest of the top of the shoulder not breaking above the top of the shoulder, and from here if we get a pin bar inverse spin bar, inverse. Okay, great. Now we have a touch of our left shoulder right here. This red candle, we have a touch of this red shoulder not breaking below this pink zone. Now we have a retest of our the top of our left shoulder not breaking above the gray zone. At this point, I'm looking for a sell condition. This is our termination zone. I will look for a sell reason from between this zone, either an engulfer or a pin bar, or you can call it a 382 candle. Obviously, if the market moves up and go up to our major level of resistance, which is a pink zone, and that zone is from 2390 and it goes up to 24,265. Obviously, if the market goes up and reaches the first stop, then it will be more of a double top trade than a head and shoulder pattern. And if we have a break above this double top, same like gold, we will look for a trend continuation trade, and the next level we can see it's 24.26, and right above that we have another zone 25.24.54. So that was a quick one on commodity market. If you are getting value out of my videos, please don't forget to hit a like button for me. It helps me in the YouTube algorithm, and hit a subscribe button for me so that you won't miss daily analysis like this. So I hope you have a great day ahead. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.